Yes, Mr. Seban.
As a court case, my lord, I'm informed by my colleagues that the issue regarding the consultation for the purpose of bringing an application on behalf of accused number 3 and 5 has been taken care of.
Okay, fine.
Subject to confirmation by,
Is that
by
so?
them.
Correct. Mr. Nisi and Ms.
Cholo, and we are indebted to the court.
Okay.
Yes, my lord, I confirm that we have consulted and finished the consultation.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, what's Hanlon's doing now?
As a court case, my lord, we had intended to call someone from a vehicle tracking company regarding the movement of the polo that has been mentioned by the witnesses as the polo that was driven by Mr. Twala, Longwe Twala, on the 26th of October 2014. There is a report in that regard, my lord, but unfortunately our efforts to secure the attendance of that witness have come to grief, my lord. On that basis, we request that the matter stand down. We will call Brigadier Gininda tomorrow. We request that the matter stand down until tomorrow. I've discussed it with my learned colleagues. They are not opposed to the request that we stand down to tomorrow.
Okay, Mr. Gomezulu, what's your view?
Court, please, my lord. My lord, regarding the first submission made by the state about the person who's going to testify on the AVLs, we have made it very clear to the state that we are going to oppose to such evidence. Number two, my lord, we have no objection in relation to the testimony by Brigadier Gininda tomorrow.
By who?
Brigadier Gininda tomorrow, if the matter may stand down.
Okay. Any other thing?
My lord, this the only aspect that I wanted to canvass further, my lord, is that the state should make it clear if after the testimony of Brigadier Gininda they still intend to call other witnesses, because now it furnishes us with information that is completely new. So they must make it clear from tomorrow whether after Gininda they will lead another evidence, or that will be the state case.
I see. Mr. Ramasepedi?
Thank you, my lord. I mean, that I do not have any objection if the matter stands down until tomorrow, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Nisi?
My lord, if it comes from the domesticity, it's their wishes, my command as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, my lord. I have no objection if the matter is adjourned until tomorrow. Thank you.